Welcome. In front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you what to do if your mobile data doesn't work properly. First of all, check if your SIM card is inserted properly and is recognized by your phone. To do that, go into mobile network, and if you have a SIM card inserted in your phone, then it should show right here. And if it doesn't, try reinserting your SIM card because most probably this is the issue. Now, if you can see your SIM card but your mobile data still doesn't work, try toggling it by switching this toggle to the right, then to the left, then to the right again. Now, the issue might be that one of the applications doesn't work on mobile data. To check if it does or doesn't, go to data usage, go to network access, then find the application in which you try to use mobile data and see if it uses either mobile data by itself or both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, if this isn't the problem, then you should check if you don't have an airplane mode enabled. To do that, slide down the quick settings menu and check if this icon is colored white. If it does, then the mobile data should work normally. But if it still doesn't, then try restarting your phone. Sometimes it helps. Hold down the volume up key and the power button at the same time. Then swipe to the top to select restart and wait until the phone is restarted. And once your phone restarts, give it some time for the mobile data to start working and check if it does work. And if it still doesn't, then the last thing that you can do is go into the system and update settings, select backup and reset, and select reset phone, and then select network, reset network and Bluetooth settings, confirm, wait for a couple of seconds. And once the network reset is complete, check if your mobile data started working. And if it still didn't, then you should contact your carrier to verify data plan. Maybe you have insufficient balance. Maybe your carrier stopped providing you with mobile data, but the problem is certainly not within your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.